An alco beverage company just launched a massive 600 crore greenfield facility, one of the largest single location brewing projects in India. Meanwhile, a travel services leader expanding retail Forex in high demand hubs and targeting Southeast Asia for global scale. Are you curious to know which companies are quietly scaling into industry leaders? Well, stay tuned to find out. Hello and welcome all to another exciting edition of the Noisemaker, where we cut through the market noise to highlight hidden gems in the stock market. I'm Ujjwal, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory, and today we're talking about two companies that are quietly making some major power plays in the market. But before we do that, we have a disclaimer. Any discussion, facts, or writing provided are for informational purposes only and do not constitute a buy or sell recommendation. Please conduct your own due diligence before making any investment decisions. So now we'll head on to the first company that we have covered for today. It is Thomas Cook India Limited. Well, Thomas Cook India Limited is a comprehensive travel services company since 1881. It has just expanded its foreign exchange network in Bengaluru by launching a new retail outlet, and that was done in Sahakara Nagar, an area known for strong travel and education related demand. This move aligns with the company's strategy to scale its high margin retail Forex segment and deepen penetration in metro markets. The new store is expected to drive transaction volumes and support Thomas Cook's targeted 10 to 12% annual Forex revenue growth as it continues shifting focus from wholesale to scalable high margin retail operations. Now we'll talk about the financials. In FY25, the company reported 8,140 crores in revenue, growing 11.5% year on year. Quarter 4 revenue came in at 1,969 crores. EBITDA margin for the year stood at 7.6% and net profit margin at 3.1%, with profitability supported by cost control and higher value segments. Well, looking ahead, the company is focusing on high growth international markets, targeting annual revenue of 21 crores from its Saudi Arabian operation, while its Southeast Asian business has already exceeded pre-pandemic levels. Domestically, its subsidiary Sterling Holiday Resorts plans to add over 20 new resorts and 1,000 keys across India within the next 12 to 18 months. This expansion will follow an asset-light model emphasizing leases, revenue sharing and management contracts to enhance its footprint in high demand location while sustaining strong EBITDA margins. Now we'll head on to the next company that we have covered for today. It is Som Distilleries and Breweries Limited, an Indian alcoholic beverage company who has just launched a 600 crore greenfield project in Uttar Pradesh through its subsidiary Woodpecker Green Agri Nutrients, spread across 40 acres allotted by UPSIDA. The facility will include a brewery, distillery, and manufacturing units with an annual bottling capacity exceeding 12 million beer cases, positioning it among the largest single location alco beverage complexes in India. This strategic expansion marks a significant step toward the company's ambition of becoming a pan-India player and achieving 2,000 crores in revenue by FY27, by substantially scaling up from its current volume of 17.8 million cases as of 9 months of FY25. I will head on to the financials of the company. Well, Som Distilleries reported quarter 3 FY25 revenue of 562 crores. EBITDA margin expanded by 5.4% quarter on quarter to 6.1%, while net profit margin stood at 3.8%, reflecting gains from operating leverage. While going forward, Som Distilleries is aiming to scale up volumes to 3.82 crore cases with its Odisha expansion while aggressively targeting high growth markets such as Rajasthan, Delhi, Jharkhand, and the Northeast to strengthen its pan-India presence. The company is also transitioning into a full-fledged AlcoBev player by expanding both its IMFL and beer portfolio. Encouraged by the strong performance in IMFL, it plans to introduce new products in the coming quarters. Well, this diversified portfolio strategy is designed to reduce dependence on any one single segment and mitigate risk from excise duty changes. Now, these were the two companies that we covered for today. Now, we'll review some of our previous picks that we covered in the previous editions of the Noisemaker, and they are as follows. So the first company is Care Ratings Limited. We covered this stock when it was trading at 1422. As you can see, it is up by approximately 18.1%. Next company is Alpic Solar Limited, which we covered at 816 rupees. It is up by 10%. The third one is Dalmia Bharat Sugar and Industries Limited. It is up by approximately 2.8% from the date of our coverage. Fourth is Power Mech Projects Limited. It is up by approximately 5.4% from the date of our coverage. And last is KPI Green Energy, which we covered at 445, and it is up by 6.2% from the date of our coverage. I'll just summarize the two companies that I've covered today and tell you what happened in these companies. Well, in Thomas Cook India Limited, Thomas Cook expanded its foreign exchange network footprint in Bengaluru Store is expected to boost transaction volume, support the company's 10 to 12% annual Forex revenue growth target. Next up, we had Som Distilleries and Breweries Limited. Well, it launched 600 crore facility in UP. The facility will house a brewery, distillery, and manufacturing units with a bottling capacity of over 12 million beer cases annually, making it one of India's largest single location alcohol beverage complexes. Well, that's it for today's edition of Noisemaker. If you found value in the breakdown, don't forget to check out the full report linked in the description below. Also, you can scan this QR code and it will take you directly to the Noisemaker PDF that we have created, and you can get a better idea by reading the PDF. So if you liked today's video and you gained some valuable insight, don't forget to share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.